Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fundamental concept in Python programming, and that is decorators. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced coder, understanding decorators can really level up your Python skills. So let's get started. To begin with, let's demystify what decorators are. Decorators are essentially functions that modify the behavior of another function or a class. They allow us to add functionality to existing code without modifying its structure. This is incredibly powerful as it enables us to enhance the functionality of our codebase in a modular and reusable manner. Now, let's delve into function decorators, which are the most commonly used type of decorators in Python. Function decorators are functions themselves that wrap around other functions. They take in a function as an argument, modify its behavior, and return a new function or the same function with enhanced capabilities. Now, let's roll up our sleeves and write our own decorators. Writing decorators might seem daunting at first, but it's actually quite straightforward. Let's take a look at an example. Suppose we have a simple function that prints hello. If I want to add some gap of seconds before it prints hello, I can do this with the help of time module. So I'll just import the time module. And before the print statement, print calling function time.sleep. Let's say 1 second. Now let's call that function greet. If I run this, as you can see here, first it prints calling function, and after a second, it prints hello. But what if we have multiple functions in which we have to apply the same functioning? Here we can use a decorator. Let's create a function called timing, give it to a parameter func, which takes a function. Inside the function, we'll create a nested function called wrapper. Print, I'll use f strings here, calling function func.double_name time.sleep 1 second. Now we'll call that function func. After that, time.sleep 1 second. And lastly, print by. Now we'll simply return the function wrapper. And now, we'll apply this decorator to our greet function using the at syntax. At timing. And we don't need these lines of code. Let's run this. As you can see, it is doing the same thing. So here we defined a decorator function named timing. This function takes another function func as its argument and returns a new function wrapper. The wrapper function prints a message indicating the start of the function execution, waits for 1 second, calls the original function func, waits for another 1 second, and finally prints by. Finally, the greet function is called. Since it has been decorated with the timing, the message calling function is printed before hello, and by is printed after hello. You can use this property to any function you want. This script demonstrates how decorators can be used to add additional behavior to functions without modifying their original code. Let's take a look at another example. Here I have a function that adds 2 numbers, and this is also decorated with the timing function. If I call that function, and give it to value, let's say, 2 and 3. Let's run this. As you can see, it returns a type error telling that wrapper function takes 0 positional arguments but 2 were given. Because the arguments which I passed to add function doesn't go in the wrapper. To fix this, I will use args and kwargs. Args for positional arguments and kwargs for keyword arguments. So I will pass here *args and *kwargs. Also I'll pass this in function parameter *args, *kwargs. Let's run this. Calling function add, after a second, it call the add function which prints 5, and after a second it prints by. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive guide to decorators in Python. In simple terms, decorators are just higher order functions that return another function. I hope you found this video helpful in understanding this powerful feature of the language. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tutorials. Thanks for watching.